I'm Pakistani and watching Mr. Pakistan. So today I'll teach you what is inside this capacitor. This is a AC outdoor capacitor, split AC or split non-inverter AC outdoor or window AC outdoor, outdoor. The compressor driver capacitor capacitor which is running capacitor because there is a 70 microfarad capacitor below than 25 microfarad capacitor or starting capacitor. This is a running capacitor since there is 70 microfarad capacitor, 450 volt AC capacitor. So this capacitor I already opened. So first part I made a part where I say I open this capacitor, and since this capacitor is so hard to open, I don't have another blinder, so that's why I paused and after a week I will open this capacitor. But right now I lost my first part video, which is a 1 or 2 minute video then which I explain which this capacitor is. This is a AC capacitor, non-volatile AC outdoor capacitor with compressor drive compressor running capacitor, 70 microfarad, 450 volt AC. So this is a quality capacitor I got from old repairing shop, and I will open this. This is the top terminals. It is burned, so it is attached like this way, and this is a 2 hard. This sheet is made of body is made of 2 or 3 metal sheet. So it is not easy to cut. I don't have another blinder, so I will cut this top end, which is contain the 1 or 0.6 sheet. It is easy to cut, but not still easy. Now it inside, or you can say this is a ceramic. This is a ceramic block which I put out with the help of scissor. Underneath there's 2 electrodes, and this is a ceramic block, and inside some capacitor element. First we can do carefully cut these wires so we can access to insert inside. Carefully cutting. This is a sharp metal, it will damage, and we can cut other plate also. If I not, and it's also contain, I forgot to tell, it's also contain, this is a oil. It filled with vegetable oil which is written in air. So when I open, all the oil extract with this bottle. Since I made in one video, it made a quite mess, so I made one tiny little hole before cutting this in the top. Then I remove the or extract the all inside oil to the one container, and then I open it using hammer and nail, because it is not easy to cut with normal hand saw. Plus I do not have another grinder or Dremel, so I will make tiny little holes with the help of plier and nail, and then once all nail is complete, hole is complete, then I join in this hole via a tester, or made too many holes, it will break out. This lead is quite hard to touch since there's, I think,
metal.
it is necessary to remove, and we then gently put this plastic sheet in here, and there's oval. We can carefully lift this out. This time it may be a little bit difficult since we can cut this or braid this top end with normal nails, so it will perfectly cutting or broken. So it will something inside or something, some metal fringes inside and some fringes metal fringes outside. So it might be blocking the coming this unit out.
Now it is a time consuming work, so that's why I will fast forward this.
finally open about 30 minutes energy wasting or too much forcing. I bear my tester a little bit over here. Now it's open it inside this plastic sieve. So there is a plastic metal springes inside, which can, when I turn this, it will unstably touch the top metal shield. It will have some metal spins. It will come down, which is blotting right now, coming out for this plastic. So that's why I try to use several tools like plier, screwdriver, and I also bend my screwdriver a little bit, and scissors. Now finally I out this, but still it might be takes twice of force again, still, because it will come out not equally side by side. I recommend when we're doing this, we can use gloves first. But I think this point, it might be bad. Need to bear this, since this is a solder joint. It will blot. It is quite a blob. It will make a mistake. It will make a problem to coming out. I bear this blob. Now it easily might become out. I use plier to hold, and it's also oily, so it will slip my all oil, and it's still oily. Since this is contain oil, I put out all the oil, but remaining oil, it still will left some source of oil inside, which can apply on made my hand oily. This time I will recommend use the proper gloves. So this is what is quite hard. Finally, after trying 45 minutes of what that for energy wasting or twice the forcing, I will open this. So this is double layer plastic sheet. So it is a middle, and it is though inside the capacitor element, and it is outside. So it will hold quite well. This is the capacitor element, and there are two inner wire and two outer wire. This capacitor is AC capacitor, so it's not a plastic. Now remove the main part. So in order to remove main part, we can all these wires and a little bit thumb, and this will come out. And this is the empty olotane, which is contain oil, and this is also lubricant. So this is a capacitor. One terminal solder with AC capacitor, 70 microfarad. It was 450 volts. This is a one terminal solder on the top, one terminal solder in the bottom here, and which is come out from here, which is within each slit. And I not open this foil. This is a foil which goes all around this roll. It is known as a dielectric plate, which is go all over the dielectric foil, which is those wound. It is each slit here, which is a roll. It is a quite long and quite big roll. So if I try to open this roll, it will take several days to finish this. There is not anything inside, just a regular foil. And this oil, this is a vegetable oil, it says, but I don't know which type this oil is. It is quite fluffy, and there's 70 microfarad 450 volt capacitor inside view, which is a AC capacitor, AC outdoor, or window AC or split AC outdoor non-inverter inverter model, compressor running capacitor. So there's a starting capacitor, running capacitor, running capacitor for compressor one, compressor non-inverting one, inverter one, or some other circuitry which is what digitally, but the non-inverter one compressors both that AC mains with this capacitor. And this video anyway, I'm not to be actually pause. One thing I forgot to tell, this is a completely inside hollow and inside the plastic base also, and top base will be broken. So I understand. So there's a bare body made of bare metal. So this is also made of the foil, which foil is electrolyte foil or dielectric plate, dielectric foil. This foil is also be conductive. So if sit around randomly inside like that. So why it means this one comes voltage, live voltage. This body maybe comes to be also live voltage, but when it's not in AC outdoor, it will connect in the outdoor body, and if when AC is running, why AC outdoor body is not come live, whether it contain this capacitor directly connected with body, capacitor body and AC outdoor body join then, and this will do not contain inside the capacitor body directly without any insulator, and this will connect with live voltage. If you know, let me know. Pause.